What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Marketflow, powered by THOR, hosted by me, Moan. Got the new PFP rocking up here, Tuesdays, 11 p.m. UTC, and we have Thursdays at, 4 p.m. UTC? Right about now, we started an hour ago. You're late. Looking at the markets, diving right in. If we go into Cyber Frogs, we go into THOR here. We select Bitcoin, and we're going to go ahead and just look at the 4-hour and the daily longs and shorts. We see we now have a Bitcoin short posted. We've had these longs for a little while now, some of them significantly in low ranges. These invalidate at 72. Keep that in mind, and we'll go over that. But we now have a Bitcoin short posted. But if we take a look at the charts, and we take a look at this Bitcoin range, it is a very narrow entry range, and it is barely just about 2% profit. THOR, obviously, what THOR sees is there is a very high probability that this will play out. However, this being a pretty short call and only giving a 2% profit, this may be one that I would look to bypass. I just don't see the risk versus reward shorting a bull market for 2% at this point. Maybe, given what price action happens, maybe we'll get some more shorts printed. It wouldn't surprise me if we get one to print up here near this 72. Remember, that's the invalidation point for these daily calls down here at 17, 32, and 44. Right? So they all invalidated 72. I wouldn't be surprised if we see another THOR short, maybe a little bit juicier than this here printed. I still think that we may see a little bit of a pullback still. Yeah, we are moving. We got momentum. We are moving strong. Wouldn't surprise me if we see one more pullback. And if we break 60,000, wouldn't surprise me if capitulation pushes us down here to the THOR call at 56K. So that would still be a higher low. Keep that in mind. That's still a higher low, higher high, higher low, indicating yet again a higher high and possibly into new all-time high territory. So still feeling bullish. Just looking at what THOR's printed, we have THOR calls here at the 52, and we have THOR calls here at the 56. We've long talked about these ranges here at 56 and here at 52 as great DC entry points for the bull run. They were given to us. We identified these points once this fair value gap was printed, and you can see how strong each time we've gotten in these ranges the support has been. So looking at Solana, little bit different. Solana got to a THOR short, and we said, hey guys, we've got a lot of momentum here. Maybe if you want to take this short, maybe put just a little bit of your bag in and DCA into the second range because these are kind of close and we have a lot of momentum. And this, to me, is the one that's really important to look at here. Why do I say that? Because I've been saying for a very long time now, ever since we had this fair value gap printed and then we fell right through it, blew right through it, fell right through it. I knew this zone was going to be significant. We've come back, we've revisited several times. What we needed and what I've long been saying is we need to break and retest, or break 160 significantly and hold the retest at 160. If you look at the take profit for this THOR call, it's right here on the top of that zone. If we can get the break and the retest of this zone right here, that is very bullish to me for Solana. That is very bullish for me to the bull market, and that could be a really strong indicator of alt season incoming, right? We've seen Bitcoin take a little bit of a retrace and take a little bit of time here where when we look at altcoins, I'm now using Solana as the altcoin indicator instead of Ethereum, just my personal thesis. But you see, we've just continued to pump. and we are about to hit this THOR short. So this to me looks juicy right here nearing 180. And what I really like is seeing this take profit holding right above 160. Jupiter has been doing amazing. Jupiter has been doing pretty much exactly what we were hoping to see, getting our key DCA levels. You know, we got our DCA zones, and then we got our take profits right on the zone that they established for us. Perfect play. We got our DCA levels back in, and now we are nearing some early, if you wish to take a look. No one goes broke taking profit, guys, but I think a lot of people are going to take profit too early in a lot of things this cycle. Always take some profit. You never go broke taking profit. But don't fade the pumps that I think are about to come. Remember, if you don't understand the charts, you don't understand what I'm talking about, just log into THOR. What do we have for Jupiter? Let's go down, take a look. Okay, you know your next entry point for Jupiter is going to be at 90 to 89 cents. We talked about 91 cents. Why? Right here at the top of the level. So you see THOR is lining up with our own TA, but see how easy that was? Just own a frog, log in, look at Jupiter. You got the call. You got your take profit point. Give you approximately 9%. If you still don't understand this, and it even calculates your risk for you based on your own risk tolerance, look into TAP. Frogs Fuck, THOR Prince, TAP is automated. Automatically trade SOL, automatically trade bonk incoming. This vault is about to unlock. And we have the Jupe Vault that has been performing awesome. Just look at the performance from the Jupe Vault. If you don't understand charts, you don't understand levels, you can understand automated trading of buying low and selling high. And you see people that have been involved with the Jupe contract. This is where they're buying, taking profits. Buying, taking profits. All automatically. Frogs Fuck, THOR Prince. See you all next week.